back to another video. Today we are here at Gorges State Park on the Frozen Creek access side of things. Not a lot of people come back here, but today we're going to go to a couple special waterfalls, including Wintergreen Falls, which is way out here in the remote wilderness. So let's get started. All right, so for most of this hike, I'm going to be along the Auger Hole Trail right here, as you can see. At one time this road was open to cars, so you could actually drive and make the trek to the falls a little bit easier. It says it's 6.8 miles. I'm not doing the whole 6.8 miles. I'm probably only going to go about 4 of those miles on Auger Hole before I turn off the Wintergreen. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little video montage and speed through all the boring walking along Auger Hole Road here. So here's that montage. In so far, and I'm making pretty good time actually. So I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and I'm actually going to go down this big deep gorge because Double Drop Falls is down there. It's going to be a steep climb getting down in there. All right, so this is it. This is Double Drop Falls. It's easy to see how this waterfall got its name as it drops down over 2 levels. I would guess it's probably in the 20-foot range or so. The bushwhack down here wasn't too bad. There is a faint trail. It was a little overgrown though. But this is Double Drop Falls. So further downstream is Auger Hole Falls and Maple Spring Branch. It's a nice double waterfall. That's a little bit farther downstream. There's an easier way to get to it than following the creek, but probably not going there today just for time and energy's sake. But I would definitely recommend checking it out. So out of the gorge of Double Drop Falls, so we're going to queue up another montage of me walking 2 miles down the road. Reached the Wintergreen campsite. It's back that way. There's a couple picnic tables, a couple fire pits, but doesn't look like anyone's been around there recently. Over my shoulder is the Toxaway River, and Wintergreen Falls is about a mile up that way. So hopefully I can pick up some sort of path. So I've reached Panther Branch. That's it behind me right here. And it's flowing into the Toxaway River right there. That's about my halfway point. So far there has been a trail, but it is heavily overgrown. So I've had the bushwhack and it's really slowed me down. So Wintergreen is a little bit farther up. I'm going to keep plugging away here until we get there. Alright, so I'm almost to Wintergreen Falls. There's a nice little cascade behind me. I've elected just to be walking up the river. I've been fighting off snakes, yellow jackets, and the bushwhack has been pretty bad. So hopefully we'll make it up there. Very, very tough bushwhacking creek walk, but we have finally made it to Wintergreen Falls right here behind us. The falls themselves are absolutely massive as they fall into this large plunge pool below. This is the Toxaway River coming down here. Toxaway Falls is way up there. As I said, the hike to get here was super difficult, fighting off all the yellow jackets and the snakes, but the reward here in Wintergreen Falls is well worth it. So not surprisingly, I have not seen anybody this entire time. I can't imagine there's too many people that make their way up here to Wintergreen Falls. So the solitude and remoteness is about as good as it can get. All right, that's it for Wintergreen Falls. I'm gonna get ready to head back down river. It's gonna be tough getting down there, but there's no other way out of here. So get some pep in my step and stride in my glide and get going. Wintergreen campsite. Coming back down wasn't as hard since everything was already cut. I managed to avoid the yellow jacket's nest. So when I got back to the campsite, there was some nudists or something. I don't know. No one had any clothes on. So I bolted. I don't think they saw me, but that's the only people I've seen on this hike so far. I don't know, man. I guess whatever you're into. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video of the hike out to Wintergreen Falls here in Gorges State Park in North Carolina. I still got about 2.5 miles down Auger Hole Road until I get back to the trailhead. So until next time, thank you for watching. We'll see y'all.